Hello there. In today's video, we're going to talk about the transfer issue of Denis Zakaria, to Manchester United. The name Denis Zakaria is going to be very, very popular, in the transfer dispatches throughout this window. The Borussia, Mönchengladbach midfielder has already been linked with the likes of Liverpool, who are said to have lodged an inquiry over his transfer status. Now, several news sources, football sources, claim that Manchester United are also tracking Swiss international Zakaria, who is valued around 25 million mark, with his current contract due to expire this summer, as well as Juventus and Borussia Dortmund. RB Leipzig duo Amdou Hadira and Christopher Nkunku have also been mentioned as potential targets as Ralf Rangnick looks to boost his midfield options. So basically, Manchester United are going to compete with Liverpool for Denis Zakaria. Denis Zakaria could be one of the first, first transfers to Manchester United. So as we have seen that the condition of the Manchester United midfield is not that good. We have a very good attack, but our midfield is lacking. With players like McTominay and Fred, they are not up to the mark and they're not able to play well, they're not able to deliver like Wolves. Wolves have an excellent midfield, we lack that. We absolutely lack that, and so in that particular case, it would be absolutely critical if we could have a player like Denis Zakaria, who has played in the Bundesliga and the German league, in our club. It would be, a boost. And Manchester United are reportedly considering whether to make a January approach for Borussia, Mönchengladbach's, midfielder Denis Zakaria or not. As it stands, the Switzerland international intends to depart the Bundesliga outfit in a free transfer at the end of this season. However, given the amount of clubs who are interested in the 25-year-old, the option remains for, Mönchengladbach to cash in during the current transfer window. So a lot of European giant clubs are interested in him. According to the Mirror, United are contemplating whether to take that approach to the scenario rather than waiting to attempt Zakaria into a move to Old Trafford in the summer. The report suggests that the United may be able to get a deal over the line of for 25 million, a figure that many of their Premier League and European rivals will not be prepared to pay at the midway point in the campaign. So United do not have any issues in their finances, and they will be easily able to cope this value and to add this player into their team. So it would be quite easy for them to add this player, into their team. It would not be difficult at all for them to, have them in their team. So what do you think about, Denis Zakaria? Do you think he'll be a good addition to our player? Manchester United are tracking, Borussia Mönchengladbach's midfielder Denis Zakaria, but they are facing a very tough competition from Liverpool, and other top teams in Europe. If Manchester United can get Zakaria, then in a team with Ronaldo, Sancho, Varane, Fred, Zakaria will be a big, big boom for us, with the talks of Ten Hag coming in. Manchester United are looking to strengthen in midfield in the January window. Borussia Mönchengladbach's Denis Zakaria has been linked with Old Trafford. However, the Red Devils face competition for the Swiss international signature. They are tracking, Denis Zakaria, the midfielder, for the January transfer window, because we have seen the condition of Manchester United's midfield. It's in absolute disarray. It's in an absolute disaster. The midfield is a disaster. So Ralf Rangnick has struggled to impose his philosophy on the side since taking the position of the interim head coach. So I think now it's time for Ralf Rangnick to have a very strict approach. United had been unbeaten during the start to his tenure, but had delivered a number of unconvincing displays, including 1-1 draw with the Young Boys in the Champions League and a point at a languishing Newcastle before the turn of the year. So it's thought that Germany may look to introduce fresh face into the squad in a bid to turn the fortunes around. And in doing so, a PR63-year-old may turn to his home country for inspiration. According to the different news sites and daily news portals, United are tracking Zakaria, the Switzerland international, at Borussia Mönchengladbach. The Bundesliga outfit are stepped for the cash at the moment, and it is reported that a 25 million transfer fee could be enough to bring them back to the table. However, United face stiff competition from the likes of rivals Liverpool. There is also interest from across the continent, with Bayern Munich and Juventus and Barcelona linked. So the issue of Barcelona is still there. Barcelona also wants in. Okay. So this is definitely a big issue. Barcelona also wants in, and they have to battle major European clubs in order to get this player. But I think it's gonna be worth it, because right now I think the team, it desperately lacks a good midfielder. We desperately lack a good midfielder. We don't have a good midfielder. So if we can get a good midfielder, it will be very, very effective for us. It will be very effective for us. It will be very, very important for us. So we do need a good midfielder. We do need a good midfielder. We need a good midfielder who can play back and forth, who can push the ball, pull the ball, go back, go front. That's what we need right now. So this is going to be a disaster. We're stacked with attack, but we lack midfield, we lack defense. And with this kind of attitude, we'll keep on losing. See, we'll be losing to great teams if we can't defeat Wolves. Imagine what will happen to us when we face bigger teams like City or PSG. Imagine what will happen to us. It will be an absolute disaster in that case. So to avoid that kind of a disaster, we are looking to impose issues like these. We are looking to impose a good midfield and a good defense. And I think when one or two good midfielders are brought in, that is the time when United's gameplay will completely change. It will be completely different. But they do have to compete with the clubs like Barcelona, Liverpool, Juventus, Borussia Dortmund and Bayern Munich, as they look to bring a 25-year-old to boost their midfield. And I think they should do that. They should do everything they can to acquire a player who is a good midfielder, who has a good hold over the midfield, in order to make sure that they are they're absolutely they make sure that they get a good response out of it. They get a good response, they get a good postulate, they get a good issue right now out of it. The Swiss international is valued at 25 million, but it is unlikely that any club would be ready to meet that price, considering how he would be available as a free agent next year. So this is United's chance. So we see in different news sources that that he would be free for 25 million. He would be a free agent. So if United pay 20 million, they could have this player right now. They could have a world-class midfielder who's young, who can at least play for 3 or 4 more years, at a very, very considerable amount of low price. And right now, I think Manchester United's biggest problem is the midfield and the defense. They need a good CDM. They need at least 2 new good midfielders, because Fred and Nemanja Matic, Fred and McTominay, they're not doing it anymore. I mean, it's a disaster. The midfield is a disaster. We need a good midfielder. Okay, so what do you think? Do you think Dennis Zakaria from the Bundesliga is going to be a good midfielder? Let me know. I'll be bringing in more news regarding transfer issues. Till then, take care, and thank you for all the love you guys are showing me.